Today, I'm going to be breaking down my entire AI partnership offer so that you can understand it, replicate it, and also pitch it to other businesses for yourself. If you've been confused about what businesses actually pay for in AI, especially with the noise all around AI automations, agents, and random services, this video is meant to clear that up. People talk endlessly about AI tools, workflows, and agents, but very few of those things sounds like something that business would actively look for. And that's why this video exists. Here I'll show you the actual offers businesses actually buy, why it works, and how to package it in a way that makes it irresistible. By the end of this video, you'll understand the full offer structure, the service included, how pricing works, and how to position it as a long-term partnership instead of a one-off service. Before I show you the offer itself, I want to explain how I arrived at it, because I do not want you blindly copying me. I want you to understand why this offer works and why it's different from anything out there. For those who don't know me, my name is Anthony, and I've been building an AI business for over 3 years now. When I started, I knew I wanted to help business out with AI, but I didn't have a clear model. I tried everything: website chatbots, automation, AI agents. You can even see that in my channel here. And while these services looked impressive on paper, the more I spoke to business owners, attended conferences, and worked on real implementations, the more I realized something important. It wasn't solving the core problem businesses had. First, I thought it was a technical issue, but at this other conference that I went to, I saw data that literally changed my perspective. One insight stood out very clearly. The reason why businesses were not adopting AI as fast as I thought they were was the fact that it lacked results. That's when it clicked. Selling AI agents alone isn't enough to help a business succeed in the AI era. At the same time, after talking to a number of business owners, one thing just kept on coming up over and over again. And that was them saying that we know AI matters, but we don't know where to start. And that's when I realized the real opportunity wasn't in selling the tools, but it was in the guidance. Over the years, I've built what I would call the strongest AI offer that you could sell today, because it gives businesses what they're actually searching for: a way to thrive in the AI era, and not just to experiment with a number of tools. An AI offer has 4 core components. 1. AI audit. 2. AI roadmap. 3. Implementation. And 4. Ongoing AI partnership. First step is the AI audit. This is where you deeply understand the client's business. This is where you interview end users and decision makers to uncover bottlenecks and inefficiencies. From this, you build an AI opportunity matrix that ranks solutions based on business impact and implementation effort. Second is the AI roadmap. This is a plan of action, and it shows where AI can be implemented, how it will be rolled out, timelines, and who will be affected by it. Next comes implementation. Here is where you decide whether you're going to build the solutions yourself or you're going to outsource them. Both of these options work. Some people prefer to be hands-on, and other people prefer to work on strategy and have somebody focus on the technical side of it. Finally, there's the AI partnership, the most powerful part of the offer. As an AI partner, your role is similar to a CIO, but mainly focused on artificial intelligence. You act as an external chief AI officer. You're not an employee and you're not a full-time, which makes this model incredibly attractive to small and mid-sized businesses. Instead of paying for a full executive, businesses get exactly the level of AI leadership they need at a flexible monthly fee. You adjust your involvement based on their size, goals, and pace of adoption. This is what makes the model strong. It adapts to every business, fast or slow, small or large, aggressive or cautious. The offer fits. Now let's talk pricing. The AI audit and the AI roadmap are typically once-off offers, usually packaged together. A reasonable range is between $1,000 and $5,000, depending on the company's size and your experience. The implementation prices depend on whether you're building the solutions yourself. Automations and agents usually range from a few hundreds to several thousands of dollars. In many cases, implementation oversight fees can be included in your partnership fee. The final piece is the monthly AI partnership fee. This varies on how involved your clients want you to be. For someone who wants guidance and updates, it could be a few $100s per month. But for active transformation and frequent meetings, it can go into the thousands. If you want a deeper breakdown on how to package, pitch, and sell this offer, I created a small blueprint in the description below. You'll find the link down there. Just go in there and download it, and it'll guide you on how to do this step by step. The key takeaway from this video is simple. This offer is easy to sell because it delivers what businesses actually want. And it adapts to the client instead of forcing the client to adapt to the offer. Thanks for watching. And if you're ready to take action, I'll see you inside the community.